Slovenia. A dream come true destination. It's a journey of exploring timeless beauty, history, nature and culture come into play, making your stay magical. A perfect place for history buffs, adventurous wanderers and food lovers, Slovenia makes sure it delivers the ideal holiday package you crave for. Start with Ljubljana, where you can admire Gothic cathedrals and picturesque buildings and stroll around getting your hand on tasty street food. Don't forget to make way to snow-capped peaks and explore turquoise-green rivers as you get your shoes dirty. Not just for the adventures, it's one of the best foodie destinations you can find. This destination doesn't stand back in stirring your curiosity with enchanted castles and caves like the Postojna and Skopje. You can count on Slovenia for some fun-filled outdoor scenes like skiing, walking, hiking, canyoning and many more. Talking about activities, the Vršac Pass offers you dozens of peaks and trails to climb along with some famous landmarks along the way. In the end, Slovenia amazes you like no other. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.